Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. In today's video, we will discuss how to access Python dictionary items. So we can access Python dictionary items by referring to its key names inside square brackets. So yesterday we have discussed that dictionaries are always start or written with curved brackets. But when we access the dictionary items, we have to refer the key names inside square brackets. So let's see the example of this. So here is an example. In uh, in this example, the output will only show model Mustang. So let's run the code and check. So here you can see the output. Only the model Mustang is shown in the output. So let's move on to next. Next is how to get keys. The key function method will return a list of all keys in the dictionary. So basically to access or get keys from a dictionary, we have to use the key function, this one, through which we can access all the keys in any dictionary. So let's discuss the example of this also. So here you can see the output has shown all the keys in this dictionary. So that's all from today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.